In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a bell curve in Microsoft Excel. To begin, make sure your worksheet already has your data entered and sorted in column B. In this example, the data points are in cells B2 through B4, and the first row contains the headings. The bell curve will be based on these values, and we will create the curve by calculating the normal distribution for each data point. This gives Excel the extra values it needs to draw a smooth curve instead of only showing the raw data. Start by clicking cell C2, which should be directly next to your first sorted data point in column B. This cell will hold the normal distribution value for the first data point. By placing the formula in column C, you are creating a second column that Excel can use as the vertical value for the chart. Take a moment to make sure you are on the same row as the first data point, because the formula will refer to the value in cell B2. Now type the following formula into cell C2, equals norm.dist. Open parentheses B2, comma, average. Open parentheses $2, $4, close parentheses, comma, stdev. Cell. Open parenthesis $2, $4, close parenthesis, comma, file cell, close parenthesis. Then press enter. This formula calculates the normal distribution value for the data point in B2. The average part of the formula finds the mean of the data range, and the stdev part finds the sample standard deviation. The dollar signs keep the range fixed, so when the formula is copied down, Excel continues using the same data range from B2 through B4. The file cell value tells Excel to return the probability density, which is what you need for the shape of the bell curve. Next, click cell C2 again. You should see a small square handle in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Move your cursor over that handle until it changes into a black plus sign. Once you see the black plus sign, double-click it to fill the formula down through the rows next to your data. This is a quick way to copy the formula into the remaining cells in column C, so each data point has its own normal distribution value. After the formula fills down, take a quick look at the values in column C. Each row should now have a calculated result next to the matching data point in column B. These two columns together will be used to create the chart. Column B provides the horizontal position of each point, and column C provides the curve value. Now click and drag to select all the data inside the range B1 through C4. Be sure to include the headings in row 1, as well as all of the data values below them. Selecting the full range helps Excel understand which data series to use when building the chart. The selected area should include both the original sorted data and the calculated normal distribution values. With the data selected, go to the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the charting tools. You will use these tools to turn your selected data into a visual bell curve. Once the Insert tab is open, look for the Charts group on the ribbon. In the Charts group, click the Scatter Chart icon. The scatter chart is the right choice here because it plots the relationship between the data points and their calculated distribution values. This is what allows the chart to display a smooth curve based on the values you created in column C. From the drop-down menu, select Scatter with Smooth Lines. Excel will insert a chart using your selected data, and the line should appear as a smooth curve. This chart represents the bell curve based on your data range and the normal distribution formula. At this point, you have created a bell curve in Microsoft Excel using your sorted data, a normal distribution calculation, and a scatter chart with smooth lines. That covers everything you need to know.